Today, let's explore the secret of self-myofascial release, foam rolling. Stay with me to the end and see how to download a free guide to this remarkable fitness tool. Ever walk into the gym, see someone lying on a foam roller, and think, what exactly are they doing? Today, we're uncovering the secret of self-myofascial release and why foam rolling might be the most underrated fitness tool in your routine. Foam rolling is a form of self-myofascial release, or SMR. That's just a fancy way of saying you're using gentle, sustained pressure on muscle knots, called trigger points, to release tension and improve mobility. Think of it like giving yourself a deep tissue massage. According to the National Academy of Sports Medicine, NASM, foam rolling helps reduce muscle stiffness, increases range of motion, and improves the effectiveness of your warm-up and recovery. My name is Martin Trussell. As a NASM-certified personal trainer, I always start my sessions with foam rolling. But often, when I pull one out, clients ask, "What is that?" Once they try it, the reaction is usually, "It hurts so good." And then, "Where can I get one?" How foam rolling works. When you foam roll, you slowly glide the roller over a tight muscle until you find a tender area. Then you pause and apply pressure for about 30 seconds. This stimulates mechanoreceptors in the fascia and muscle, including the Golgi tendon organ, which causes the muscle to relax, a process called autogenic inhibition. A 2015 study in the Journal of Athletic Training found that foam rolling significantly improved joint range of motion without decreasing muscle performance, unlike static stretching. Peacock et al. 2015. When to foam foam rolling works best before and after your workouts. Before exercise, it prepares the tissue for stretching and movement. After workouts, it helps reduce muscle soreness and aid recovery. NASM recommends foam rolling prior to static or dynamic stretching because it improves tissue extensibility. That means your muscles lengthen more efficiently when stretched. In fact, a 2021 review in Sports Medicine concluded that foam rolling can reduce delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS, and improve recovery markers. Wevelhove et al. 2021. How to start? For beginners, start with large muscle groups like the calves, hamstrings, and quads. Roll slowly, about 1 inch per second, and pause when you find a tight spot. Stay there, breathe, and hold the pressure for 30 seconds or more. You'll feel discomfort, but it should never feel sharp or painful. If it does, stop and consult a trainer. Foam rolling tips. Here are a few quick tips. Use foam rolling consistently, not just when you're sore. Avoid rolling over joints or bones. Combine it with stretching and proper hydration for best results. And remember, it's not a replacement for movement, just a smart addition to your routine. Despite its benefits, foam rolling is still the best-kept secret in the gym. Many gyms don't even keep them on the floor. I bring my own. So whether you're training at home or at the gym, a foam roller is one of the smartest, most affordable tools you can add to your fitness routine. Want to learn more? Download the NASM guide to foam rolling in the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Your muscles will thank you.